Meringue roll is an exquisitely delicate dessert that will captivate you from the first bite. The base of this dessert is chewy and pliable meringue combined with an airy cloud of cream cheese filling and fresh berries. So delicious and so easy to make. Welcome to Sweets and Treats channel, my name is Annie and let's start. For meringue base we need room temperature egg whites, sugar, cornstarch and lemon juice. Add the egg whites and lemon juice into a mixing bowl and beat with the mixer at low speed until light foam. Make sure your bowl is clean and completely dry. Even one drop of water can affect the meringue. When you see the light foam appear, add sugar and beat at high speed for up to 10 minutes until stiff peaks form. Next, add a cornstarch and mix it slowly on low speed until smooth. Spread the mass on the baking paper in an even layer. Sprinkle some almond flakes on top and bake it in a preheated oven to 150 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make a cream. For that we need cream cheese, powdered sugar and very cold heavy cream. Combine all ingredients in the mixing bowl and whip it until smooth, thick and lump-free cream forms. Our meringue is ready. The meringue should have a crispy crust while the inside of the cake will remain soft. Take out the ready meringue, cover with baking paper and turn over. Remove the baking paper on which it was baked and let cool. Spread 2/3 of the cream evenly over the entire cake. Put any berries you like. I'm using raspberries. Carefully roll everything into a roll. Decorate the roll with the remaining cream. You can add some berries on top too. And that's it. Enjoy every bite of it.